Welcome to DIY. Why? Because I gotta. And in this video I've made a lovely animation that's showing the processes of sandcasting. So I'm going to show you how it's done and why we do it. So please join me. Now, sandcasting was first thought of in 1300 BC. I don't know if that's how you would say it, but that's how I'm saying it. So sandcasting was a process used back in the day and still now to make copies of parts. So let's say we have a severe shape that was made out of wood or plastic that we want made out of metal. We would use this process to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to talk you through the process with a pretty fancy animation that I made. So let's begin this. Okay, so this blue oval shape, let's imagine it's made out of plastic or wood, and this is what we want to make into metal. So first thing we want to do is cut this in half and put it on the table. Then put a box all the way around it and then fill that box in with sand. Like really get in there, punch that sand in. When that's all nice and tight, we're going to use these rods to make a hole going all the way down to the piece. This is what the top should look like, and this is what the bottom should look like. After that's done, you're going to want to turn it over on its other side, and then hopefully you'll be able to take out your piece without the sand crumbling everywhere. Nice. So now that's that piece done, now we have to do it with the other side, but minus the holes that you made with the tubes. Very nice. Then we're going to put it back on the table and clamp them nice and tightly together. Now all that is done, we can finally get to pouring our liquid metal inside our cast. Make sure to put it in one side of the hole and wait until it comes out the other side, then you will know that your mould is fully filled. Now we're nearly finished, we just have to let that cool down and take everything off our lovely piece. Now it's out, we can take off those tubey bits we used to pour in the metal. Then we'll probably have to sand it up, make sure it's all nice and clean for you, and that's it. Very nice. I want to thank all of you who made it to the end of this video. This is a completely different thing, I've never done this before, but I think I'm going to use this technique in my arsenal for my future videos. Maybe all of them, will shashi. And so yes, thank you so much for making it to the end. This took me hours to animate and stuff, so yeah, hope you subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want me to demonstrate, animate another technique that you might be interested in. So yes, hope you stay awesome, have a lovely day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.